Sup, fellow humans? If you've clicked on this video, you already know what is up, and that is that I hacked the GH5 with the Blackmagic design Blackmagic RAW codec. Super cool, super easy to do. I know you're sitting there thinking like, yeah, like how's this possible? Yeah, right, this does not work. Rewind yourself back to 2009 when we were all shooting with the Canon 5D Mark II, and what came out? Some people, a gentleman in 2009, he reverse engineered the firmware for the Canon 5D Mark II and problem solved and found a way to run that firmware alongside of the camera's native firmware and really unlocked that camera to the world of indie filmmaking. And here we are in 10 years later in 2019, and we have an advantage now. Blackmagic Design has given us the developer kit for Blackmagic RAW. So I look at cameras like, well, cameras are just hardware and they run software, and Blackmagic Design is giving us the keys to this delicious software that we want to run on this piece of hardware. It's here, it's for the taking. So all you do is you just go to the Blackmagic Design website, you download the developer kit, and you just copy some code, paste some code into the Panasonic firmware that you can download from the Panasonic website. Put that on an SD card, just boot up your camera like a normal firmware update, and blammo, you got that Blackmagic RAW on the GH5. It's like a match made in heaven. It does not get any better than this. Well, it does not get any better than this, but it's unfortunately, this is not real. April Fools, y'all, but I don't think it's out of the realm of possibility. It's just not my expertise. I'm not a coder. I've downloaded the developer kit. I've kind of like looked at it. Like, I don't know what to do with it or how to make it happen. But I think, like, there's probably somebody out there in the internet land that can, or, maybe Panasonic wants to get on board with it. I would gladly shell out some dollars for an update or like an add-on, kind of like how you pay for a vlog or whatnot. Like, I'd be down to like have Blackmagic RAW capability on this camera. It's not just the fact of I want to shoot RAW with this camera, but Blackmagic RAW, the way that they do it, it is a way more efficient codec. And like, I can edit that so easily on my laptop computer. Like, that is the workflow that I want. I want to work with Blackmagic RAW. I just would happen to like to do that on this particular camera because the image stabilization, I'm not gonna go into why this camera is great. If you click this video, you understand this camera and how to use it. So yeah, I just kind of want to put that out there into the world. Maybe something magical will happen with it. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Feel free to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Bam, 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 bam. Blow that stuff up, man. I don't care about those notifications, But yeah, do that and subscribe. That way I can see you in the next video. And until then, peace. Peace.